Hi guys, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to be making these fun snake, quartz, and hoop earrings for the Year of the Snake 2025. So the snake is just with the hoop and the quartz is there right before the ear wire. So to start, we're going to start with our snake, and right now the snake has a bail on it. So you might be able to just take it with your hands and pry that open, or you can take a pair of pliers and just remove that bail so that you just have your snake pendant. And then we're going to take our stainless steel wire and round nose pliers, and we're gonna go down maybe about, I don't know, half an inch down on the wire and push it away so that it's at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm gonna put my pliers right in that angle, and I'm gonna bend this around so that I create a little loop. And then once I have my loop, I'm gonna go ahead and attach this hoop, and then I'm gonna attach this snake. Then I'm gonna hold it right here where I've created my little loop, and I'm just gonna coil this back around. And then I'm going to take my cutters, and I'm just gonna cut off that excess wire. Then from here, I'm just gonna string on this quartz coin bead to the top right there. And then I'm gonna put my pair of pliers right here at the top of the bead, and I'm gonna bend that away at a 90-degree angle. Same thing, I'm gonna put my pliers right here at that bend, and I'm just gonna bend that wire around so that I've created a little loop. And then once I have my loop created, I'm just gonna hold it right here at the top, and I'm just gonna coil this around a couple times until it touches the bead below. Just like that. And then I can take my cutters, cut off my extra wire, and then I'm gonna take my pliers and just gently twist this open. Then I can attach my loop right there, gently twist that back into place, and my earring is complete. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful 2025, and all the supplies for these earrings can be found at cherrytreebeads.com.